Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create videos using Perchance AI and turn your ideas into simple AI generated clips in 2026. Make sure you follow the instructions to the end. To create videos using Perchance AI, simply search Perchance AI Video Generator. Now, after searching it, click the link. Inside the Perchance AI Video Generator, there you would see a prompt which you would describe what kind of video do you need. The negative prompt, what to avoid. This would be good for the irregularities that AI videos might do. For the video timeline, it would be the timeline of events. Could be an event where it is a wedding or a sunrise. And also, if you cannot think of anything, you could just use the random prompt button. After generating all of the prompt, you can just hit generate video. Now that I've inputted all of my prompt, I would just hit generate video. And after waiting for a while, my video has now generated. And that's it. That is how you create videos using Perchance AI. And if it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.